We're gonna zip tie this up for now, just to make it easier. So hold it up. Yeah, boys, we rolling. He don't know the mic's on me though, but I mean it's all good. We're just gonna zip tie this shit, just for now. Not to that. Hold on. Here. But that's where this goes. That's why I don't want to zip tie it to that. When in doubt, zip tie it out. You got the screws? Hold on. Stop. Put it down real quick. Is that one sitting? Where's this at? For that side.
I fucking have it.
Just go look in the tools real quick. Make sure we don't need it. Yeah, boys, this dumbass nigga don't even know how to put together his own car, nigga. I don't know either.
You don't even got the mic.
Yeah, you ain't got the mic, bitch. Yeah, no. Yeah. I got a shit, though. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga Dale got me working and shit. It's all good. Yeah, it's just like that, dumbass nigga. All right, let's go. Put it up. Just focus on one side. Get your side and I'll get my side.
I can like put this bitch in here like this somehow.
What, nigga? You sure, nigga? Why you breathing so heavily, nigga? Calm down.
You know, work out, nigga.
Nigga, it's good, nigga. We'll be fine.
That was nasty.
My shit was watery, nigga. Oh my god, I just got coolant all in my asshole.
You do it then.
You help me do it, bitch. You just got fucking coolant all in my socks and shit. You think this bitch is cheap? No, just show him the fit, man. What is this nigga wearing, bro? This nigga look like my stepdad, nigga.
Instruction. Oh, shit myself.
Good for 905.
But you won't.
When you leave this nigga alone for 5 minutes, bruh, you don't know what he doing.
You said you were gonna do this all day.
Nigga, yeah, he was like, I got that shit, bitch ass nigga. That's what he said, chat. Alright, I'll hold it. It's gonna fall. Nigga, oh my. Nigga, I was going the wrong way. Alright, go ahead. Damn. Told you, nigga. Not bad. That's how it runs normally? What? Turn it off? My nigga, it's probably that 50% reduction pulley.
It just got really hot.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't have fucking coolant in it, you dumb nigga. I'm sorry, but yeah, if you don't got no coolant, it'll get hot really fast. I got playing a rotation, nigga. Take 2. It runs better though now. Just keep filling the water. Keep filling the water. What happened? It's getting nice and hot in that bitch. You just gotta keep filling that bitch, bro. It has hella air in it now. Fill her up, bitch ass.
Dude, that shit's getting red.
God damn.
Touch it.
Oh, already? God damn, that's what's smoking. It's the exhaust that's smoking, bro. What the fuck? Dude. Can y'all see that shit? It's glowing hot this soon, bro. But I mean, if the engine runs too hot, it'll glow hot. You just better do it again. Shit gonna blow up. Cut it. Cut it. Jeez, nigga. Damn.
The what?
Sheesh, that shit got a big ass exhaust leak though, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? You can hear it from the mid. Yo, this shit's not... Bro, this thing's not gonna pass with that, bro. You gotta fix that. Oh, it sounds like a VQ.
Alright, chill out, chill out.
I'm chilling out. They don't think it's me. Is she running now? Yeesh. Oh, let's hear it. Get a little rev from behind. All right, go ahead.
It's kind of quiet.
Them carbon fiber though. You got some fake carbon fiber? Sheesh.
He said, what do you mean?
What do you mean, man?
What do you mean fake car?
What do you mean it's fake, nigga? No, that's clean though. That's not real carbon. That's not real carbon.
You tell me a broke boy like you know what real carbon look like.
Hey man, go inside the Z, man. Look at the wheel. That's the only carbon I got. Sheesh. Yo, start it up real quick. Start it with the key.
Bro, what you talking about? It's 6 feet now.
That's a fake, man. Sheesh. It's really an EcoBoost. He just got 5.0 stickers on it. I don't know why, bro. And it's an automatic. No,
10 speed. It's not automatic because it's 10 speed. Get it right, bitch.
Well, let's race then, nigga. Right now.
Oh, word?
Right now.
Wait.
He still gets no hose, though.
Got the keys. Got the beer. What?
Yeah, this nigga will drive, though. That's an American power right there, nigga. Sheesh. He actually just spit on his fucking car.
Clean that shit up. You get your shirt and you clean that shit up.
Clean that shit up, dumb nigga.